almost have you free. Just don't attack me when you get free, okay? That would be a pretty horrible way to repay us. He could be thirsty. You're probably thirsty, huh, buddy? There's no telling how long you've been stuck. No telling. Just no telling, huh, buddy? God, you're so close. You are so close. To make you a clear path to get free when it's time. Because you're almost there. You're almost there, bud. God, this stuff is awful. Yeah. Hold on, buddy. We're really close. I just don't want you to try and run and get stuck again. God damn. Okay. I'm almost there, buddy. Almost there. You are such a pretty snake. I think you're free, buddy. Oh man, there is a spot where he's stuck right next to his head. It's okay, we're almost there, buddy. You know I'm trying to help you. Do you know that, buddy? Something tells me that you know. I think you can tell. You might be able to get
You are trying to eat him, so.
You're so close. This is the last spot. Oh, sorry, bud. Not trying to piss you off, I promise. You know I'm trying to help, huh? You are very docile. Thank you for being so docile. Thank you. Just do me a favor and don't eat my kitties as a payment or repayment. You're so close to being free. You're so close, buddy. You're so close. One more spot. Just one more spot. Don't attack me. Just let me get that last spot, bud. Look the other way. Just gotta let me get that last spot, bud. This is the last one. I don't want to accidentally stab you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's okay, buddy. That's it, bud. You're free to go. Oh, don't go back in. No. No way. No, come on. No. Now his neck is caught. Dude, come on. Help me out a little bit. His neck is totally caught. Dude.